Hello, my name's Ben from Coachman Caravans. Today, I'd like to show you around the Coachman Laser XL 850. The 850 is a 4-berth, 8-foot wide caravan. It has a rear transverse island bed, a centre washroom, and a spacious lounge. Now in its third season, the XL range is firmly established within the premium sector of the market and the natural choice for the discerning caravaner. For now though, come with me and we'll take a closer look. The Laser XL range benefits from our signature silver grey exterior sidewalls. These are further enhanced by the brand new graphics, which complement the external aesthetics and really make the XL stand out from the crowd. One of the key features of the XL range is the E&P levelling system. This system utilises hydraulic jacks, which level the caravan before putting down all 4 corner steadies. This means an uneven caravan pitch is no longer an issue for an XL owner. All of our models utilise a dual locker storage system. The near side is designed to accept 2 6-kilogram gas bottles. The off side is purely for storage and a great place to keep items that are used outside of the caravan. The Laser XL range comes with the Alco Secure wheel locks, one of the leading security devices available for your caravan. Other external key features are 100-watt solar panel, gas barbecue point, mains electric point, 10-spoke alloy wheels, offside services light. The Laser is also equipped with an underslung freshwater tank, which is suitable for all year-round use. The 850 is an 8-foot wide twin axle. It has been cleverly designed to create a caravan with 3 distinct areas. At the front, you will find a spacious living area with luxurious seating, which utilises higher, more supportive backrests for increased comfort. We also have the luxury kitchen, which benefits from high-gloss upper locker doors and coordinating microwave surround. Individually lit under-counter pan drawers, and sat between is the premium quality composite work surfaces in white pebble design. The large central washroom features a toilet on the off-side next to the vanity unit with sit-on bowl. On the near side, we have the large rectangular shower and generous size wardrobe. The rear bedroom has a large transverse island bed, complete with overhead storage and bedside cabinets. There is also ample storage underneath the bed, which can be accessed from the outside. One of the benefits of an 8-foot wide caravan is the additional width that is created between the front seating. This provides a more spacious living area. Internally, the Laser XL offers a high level of finish to match the specification. Items such as the rich Leander wood grain is beautifully contrasted with cashmere locker doors. Soft LED lighting, which is not only practical but accentuates the attention to detail within the design. Soft close hinges to upper locker doors sit alongside the Alder wet central heating to ensure all year round comfort. Seamlessly integrated domestic style extractor fan, and the tall slimline dual opening Dometic fridge with separate freezer compartment to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. It isn't just our class-leading specification that makes the Coachman difference. Our design team have worked hard to ensure that styling, comfort and functionality are at the heart of what we do. Whether it be our sumptuous furnishings, our handmade furniture or practical design features that make your time in your Coachman caravan as enjoyable as possible. So if you'd like to learn more about the 850 or perhaps other models within the XL range, then head over to coachman.co.uk, where you'll find the full specification and details of your nearest dealer, where you can arrange a viewing and really appreciate what makes the Coachman difference.